Hey, welcome. For all the repeat offenders, welcome back. Anybody new, my name is Dave. This is the Bush Bandit. This is my avid flyer. And doing some upgrades to it. And today we're gonna do a walk around. Haven't really done any new work in the last week. Well, a little bit. I'll show you. Made some progress with the engine. Can't find anything that will make it a no-go, I don't think. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger this week and make the purchase and go pick it up. So next week should be a better update on the engine, and I'll show you what engine it is and what my plan is for it. So anyway, let's pull the airplane outside. Let's fold the wings up. guys, airplane's back in the shop, safe and sound, warm for the night, got the heat on it. So probably gonna wrap this one up here. Didn't really explain much, or well, anything I guess, during the walk around, but if you have any questions about any of the interior stuff or anything you saw in the airplane, I built most of it from scratch. Anyway, lots of stuff from scratch, so any questions on any of that, feel free to leave a question in the comments and I'll probably get back to you fairly soon. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next week. Update with the engine. Hopefully it's here in the shop, and we're tape measuring and figuring things out for that. That's going to be pretty exciting. It's going to be drastically different. So stay tuned for that, if that sounds like something that interests you. And thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you next time.